Welcome to Tips and Tricks. I'm Chris Wills, Director of Training at RDI Technologies, and I'd like to demonstrate a new feature in RDI Acquisition that allows the user to more easily change the camera frame rate by cropping the image size. The ability to crop the image size isn't new, but in the past, users had to crop the image by drawing a crop rectangle on the screen and hope that the new image size would allow the desired frame rate. Now the behavior of the reset button in image properties has been modified so that when the user clicks the reset button, a list of preset image sizes appears along with their corresponding maximum frame rate values. So let's say that I need a frame rate of 250 frames per second. The default image size for the Iris M camera is 1920 pixels wide by 1060 pixels high, which allows for a maximum frame rate of only 125 frames per second. So I click the reset button, find the image size which will allow for a frame rate of at least 250 frames per second. In this case, I choose 1024 by 576, and the image is resized on the acquisition screen. I can now increase the frame rate to 250 frames per second. This is Chris Wills reminding you to visit us on the web at www.rditechnologies.com for the latest motion amplification tips and tricks.